I'm starting to get caught in the current. Oh, there's a fish right next to it. Eat it. Come on. Oh, he's right next to it. There's a couple of them right next to it. I think he got it. I think he got it. No, maybe not. Yep, he's got it. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. We got him. Yep. Oh, he's on top of the water, battling all over the place. Come on. Swim out in the middle. Don't go up by these pillars. Come on. Ease up on him for a second. Maybe he'll head back out to the deep water. Come on. Don't go around those pillars. Come on, this way. This way. This way. This way. Come on. He's coming. He's following the line. He's going to come up here and fight us. He's got to be a big one. Usually the ones out in the middle are huge. Come on. Doing the same thing that last one did. Nah, he's not that big. Well, I don't know. About the same size as all of them. 6, 7 pounds. There he is. Ha ha ha. Look at him bend that rod. Meow. Here, kitty, kitty. Meow. That was fun. Caught him on a half a tortilla shell, soft, mission soft tortilla shells or fajita shells, whatever the heck they are. Alright, you, come here. Got the grabbers and see if we can't pull him up without him getting unbuckled and get a good look at him. We'll let him go. Alright, here we go. Hey, mellow out, mellow out. He's not that big. About 5 pounds.